मर गया।
Mumbai dust storm sweeps internet with memes after first rain of the season hits city. The first rains of the season in Mumbai arrived with a dramatic twist today, as a massive dust storm swept through the city, casting a dark shroud over the sky around 3 p.m. The abrupt weather change brought traffic to a halt as commuters sought shelter from the storm. Areas like Ghatkopar, Bandra Kurla, and Dharavi experienced strong winds and rain, creating an unusual sight for the city. Social media platforms were soon flooded with photos and videos capturing the uncommon spectacle of a thick dust storm engulfing the cityscape, a sight rarely seen in Mumbai. Locals, taken aback by the unusual weather phenomenon, couldn't resist expressing their amazement through a flood of memes and jests, likening the scene to something out of a blockbuster movie. Mumbai currently looks like a Hollywood movie shot in Mexico, quipped one netizen. Echoing the sentiment, another remarked, "Mumbai is the best place for Dune 3RN." Yet another chimed in, humorously declaring, "Mumbai is now Gotham City," and thus, the meme, shower, kept flooding the internet, each more creative than the last.
अरे वो बोट गिरा है लौरा। क्या गया ये इसका ये
वो पूरा बिल्डिंग गिर गई।